Did you know that the home market industry stands at 130 billion US dollars? Due to many sources online, it is the perfect niche to start and learn with how business works, because it is not that cost intensive and you have a niche which is working and which has interest in products. At the end of this video, I will share with you some product ideas to start your business with in the home decor segment. Stay tuned. My name is Orkan and I'm an industrial engineer. Today I will look with you at the potentials of the home decor market and which products to sell. But first things first, know the market is the rule number one. The demand for home decor products is steady. Also, sustainable and renewable products are highly demanded in the European market, building a specific niche. Interesting in that graphic shown right now is that home decor products are more demanded by the millennials than in the baby boomer generation. This makes your target audience much younger. So with that, you will know which channels you need to communicate your product. Important to mention at this point is that the Gen Z has not yet the purchasing power as the other generations, but their interest in home decor products is increasing immensely. The purchasing power from the Gen Z will change in the next 5 years because they will become older, most of them will have jobs, and then they can invest in products which they are interested in. And most likely coming in front is home decor. This also has a huge impact on the channels you want to communicate and place your product in. Because if you want to address it to the Gen Z and to the millennials, it would make more sense to use social media. But we will come to the distribution channels in just a bit. Furthermore, the trend for mass production and low-cost items is gone. Most of the customers want nowadays individualized products. They want to spread a message and they want products that they stand something for. Example given the sustainability demand in the European markets, because customers from Europe want to have sustainable products by spreading the message. The environment is important to me, and that is why I'm willing to purchase sustainable products and pay a higher price for that. Furthermore, when it comes to individualizing a product, you can think of different colorings, different models, different types, or even adding personal messages to achieve a higher attachment from your customer. Just as an example, most vendors on Etsy use handwritten message cards to show appreciation. This makes the purchasing experience more relatable, because the purchasing experience is not something like a sales pitch, it is more like a present which the people make themselves. Second, know the channels, physical and digital. As a physical channel, you can say local shops. It can be owned by the brand owner itself, so it's like a small boutique, or you can think of something like Primark Home, Zara Home or H&M Home. Digital channels are also divided into different sections. Either you have a personal brand with a personal website related to just one vendor, or you have other digital channels like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, where lots of vendors are at one marketplace. Rising channels for that are social media like TikTok Shop, Instagram Shop, and so on. As we said, the stats show that we have a younger user base interested more in home decor products. Therefore, it may be smart if you go on TikTok and promote your home decor products. Also, we can say that this market of social media and social commerce is not fully developed yet. We think that it will come in the next 5 years, where the integration of social media and e-commerce is more flawless. On our social commerce application Collectum, you will be able to digitize all your physical belongings, and if you are a vendor, you can just upload your whole product portfolio, showing it off to your customer base and achieving greater sales than ever. Be sure to follow us, because then you will be updated when our app drops in every app store. And now we come to our product tips. Easy products from our point of view are like curtains, cushion covers, wall stickers, box packages, etc. I think you get the idea where this is going. The reason why we labeled this as easy products is quite simple, because you do not have to worry about something like product safety. When you are selling electrical components, you need to think about these topics also, because then if the product fails, you as the seller have the responsibility. and it doesn't make any difference if you are just a dropshipper or if you are the vendor itself directly. If you just look to start things off, we would recommend do not go with products which have technical functionalities, just go with products which have a specific purpose. Lastly, we can say when it comes to e-commerce and building your shop, plan your finances wisely. We see that many entrepreneurs and many business owners do not really think in depth about financing. It is really important that you do that. On the one hand, you need to create a list where you have all your expenses listed, and on the other hand, you need to list every revenue that you will have and that you might get down the line. By comparing those two values, you will be able to do a so-called break-even analysis. A break-even analysis is there how many products you need to sell to achieve revenue. If you do not know how to make a break-even analysis, it's easy. Write us in the comments down below and I will cover it in the next parts as well. If you liked our content, make sure to like and subscribe. We are seeing you in the next video, hopefully. Bye.